Pop it open. I got the right shit. Switch over real quick. I got some shit for what I need. Did he hit it?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got 9.
Roger. How many was that?
There we go. I'll fix you, boy.
What stance is that?
That's a different type of stance. Wait. Hold on.
Go get the quad, nigga, so I can bust your ass down.
When I grow up, I'm gonna come out here one day, right? I'm gonna have somebody driving a go-kart. And I'm gonna be go-kart. You talking about?
It was what, Marsha?
That was powerful.
You already cocked your phone?
Yeah, it's ready to go. All you gotta do is pull the trigger. Make them go closer, Maurice.
Huh?
Make them go closer.
Oh,
Young nigga put you on your back.
he said make him go closer.
Young nigga put you on your back.
He said make him go closer first time.
He didn't need to go closer.
Don't play with your boy right there.
Not with that motherfucker.
Say, my daddy told me will.
You know when you teach somebody something, they know better than you.
That's how it
These niggas
goes.
been shooting for a long time.
Right.
I watched a video on that. Oh my god.
You gotta pick it back up, motherfucker.
Oh, for real?
All right, go.
No, he's still there. car. He like, tell her I said what's outside my Rebecca. He told me, I said what's up. He literally in his car. He told me, what range I said, we just already know.
Devil. Who on you? Boy, on you, Makai.
Oh, for real?
Oh!
He said, cause he was blind.
Yeah.
She better not get 10 out of 10. Oh! Okay, good. Oh, he on you.
Just my injection.
He on you.
I didn't know that we were running on a bad battery. So if you feel like your back chain always gonna press back, that will fuck that chain.
Yeah. And that's why I keep hearing, because they...
You know, my where? You from Tractor? No. But no, it was a 50 GI. So I was hyped until I found out that it wasn't the 50.
But you just earned $2.15
Yeah, they
from Kale.
You see, that's it. We can shoot 22s all day. You see,
I did that.
What?
everybody first got to get it bad.
I knew I wasn't gonna watch.
You me neither.
Oh, he hit it once.
But the good thing is, you don't have to deal with the safety. Like, you know, if you're ready to go, you're ready to go. I don't know. Wherever I bought these from, I need some more of these.
Wait.
I ain't had not one malfunction.
Yeah, was it? I want some color.
I hit it.
Go.
I hit it.
I heard it.
Well, damn, that's all I doing is accurate for when that nigga hit that motherfucker. I ain't gonna, none of yours. It ain't better, it ain't no, it ain't no really no good. It ain't really effective, I should say. That's none of yours. Yeah, you gonna let him go, man, you got eight.
That was 10. Go. Slow down.
He hit it twice.
He did?
Yes, the first two shots he hit it.
I didn't hear it. He hit it. He hit it.
Did you hear it?
You did?
He hit it three
No.
You doubt that in?
What? Something like that.
You doubt that scope in?
It's Penny Pussy Fort.
Yeah. That's the walk.
You don't want your eye that close.
No.
You don't want none?
What's that, huh?
No, they ain't hard. Say Josh.
Shit, god damn. This motherfucking girl look like it jumped all up.
Did you hit it?
Damn.
He's trying to hit Kingdom Come. You hit it.
Ooh.
See it, huh?
Got second on that one.
Yeah, back up, Michaela.
You got a bad shoulder.
Back up. Back up. She keep testing me, Reba. What? Ow, go back up. Do it.
Yup, both of them these motherfuckers.
Hey.
Yeah, them motherfuckers,
What's no pussy? They ain't even hit her.
Get up on the handstand.
Hey, man.
Son,
I didn't see it.
you didn't go with him?
Oh, yeah, it's dope. 200. Side by
I
side.
was thinking about getting it for the kids. His son done outgrew it by now. He's